Hi friends, this is Kumar. I am going to tell about what is Java, why, how to write a simple Java program, and what is present in the simple Java program. That is, Java is full of object-oriented programming. That is, then it should be contains a class and objects. So objects. That's right. Then every programming has only three syntax, that is syntaxes, that is class syntax, method or function syntax, and last one is variable syntax. The class syntax, class syntax. The class syntax. The class syntax contains of three parts. First one is optional one, that is access. Access specifier, that is also called as our modifier. And the next one is a class, which is a keyword, and the class name. The class name always, the class in each words in the class name should be in the uppercase. That is, in the class name, C should be uppercase and N should be in the uppercase. And then what is access specifier and what are the types of access specifier? Access specifiers or modifier. Access specifiers. There are four types: public, protected, private, and default. The only keyword that can be accessed is public, because the other three are used in some exception case. The default is a default access specifier when there is nothing is mentioned, so hence it is not specified. And public is access permission from anywhere. Access permission from anywhere. It is used in some exception cases. It is used in some exception cases. Similar, private is also used in some exception cases. In private, it has a special property that it doesn't allow the other class members to access that private variables or methods or classes. Now the method syntax. Method syntax is similar to that access specifier. Access specifier or modifier. And that is the optional static. The last one is return type, and then is the method name, and then inside is a parameter list, which is an optional one. Parameter list. And should be return type. return type. Exception case for void. And the static and access specifier or modifier shall be interchanged inside it. The method name's first word should be in the lowercase and the other words first character should be in the uppercase. But in the class name, all the first character of every word should be in the uppercase. The last and final one is variable syntax. The final one is variable syntax. The variable syntax is similar to that of method syntax. Here the return type is also used by, that is, here it is specified as data type and the method name is called as variable name. In this, the variable name should be, all the characters should be in the lower case or in the higher case. That's it. Now we can write a Java program. Sorry, now I can close it. What's it? Now there is two process of to run the in command line process. That is, first one is Java C and another one is Java. These are the two things. This is to compile the Java program, which gives the class file. It is to run the Java program. Using the class file. Using the class file. Java is a compilation process, Java C is a compilation process, and Java is a interpretation process. Now let us see what can happen. Now my class name, my class name is Faya first. Now I save it as ARST.java. The class name first is first, then the file name should be first.java. The same signature should be followed. Now it is open. Now Java C space first.java. Before I click enter, I want to show you that there is a, where is it, first.java. It is right here, and now I click enter. Now you see that the class file is generated. The class file is here, that is generated. When I run it, it shows some error because there is no starting point and no ending point for the interpretation process, and it provides some error. That is, let us come to this. What should I say? The method syntax should be access specifier or modifier, and static and return type and method name and parameter list should be the method. Here it is. The main method should be specified, or static block should be specified to run a Java program, except the higher level application, that is effects level applications. Now the public static void main. Now public static void main, the specified string array of the specified x. I specified AR Rugman. Now let us save. Now when I run the class file, the previously loaded class file should be loaded. So it's the same error. When every time I change the code, I need to compile the code first and then I should run. It shows no error, but it shows no output also, because there is no output statement. Now I specified system.out.println hi Java. Compile it, and now I run it. Hi Java is printed. Now what I see, I say the access specified is optional. What in the by default? It is default. Check if it is default. It shows some error. It's an error. It is at line 1. First is a class and first.java is a file name. At line 1 error, the modifier default is cannot be allowed in. Now I changes to private. Sorry, caps lock is down. Private is also a keyword, but it is also cannot be loaded. Modifier cannot be allowed. Check the last one. Protected. Damn caps lock. Protected. It is also an error. Error in access modifier. Now when I change this to public, there is no error at the compile time and no error at the runtime. The Java program is done. What if I take the static? It shows an error, that is the public static void main is not found. Yeah, main method is not static method. What happen if I take public? I saved it and I compile it. The main method cannot be extended. Please extend fx application. The class must be run. That's it. But I can replace it by like this. This is also a correct format. No error. Hello world. What is this? Can I replace it? There are many more methods to replace it. That is, let's copy it. String ox. You can replace it by like this, like this, like this, and the last one is like this. These are the three methods. Now let's check that. No runtime error. Okay. No runtime error, no nothing. No compile time, no runtime error. What is the specified dots? It is also a no error. No error. And there is no error. What is the major question asked in the basic? What is system dot out dot println? That's it. Now I say what I know. What is all the class name starts in the uppercase, or all the name, if the name is a class name, then its name start with uppercase, right? First starts with uppercase, string starts with uppercase, system is also starts with uppercase. Hence first comma string comma system is a class. And ARR comma out, both are in the lowercase. Hence it is a variable. The last one, the main and the println. What should I say? It is here. Method name starts with lowercase. If it is another word, then it is first character should be in the uppercase. Here the main and println are the lowercase. Main comma println is a method. That's it. If you have any other doubts, call me. You can thanks for watching. This is Kumar. If you have any doubts, any problem in this, you can mail me in 96 kumar.kumar at gmail.com. This is my mail ID. If you have any other doubts, you can just call me. Thanks for watching.